Why the box is so big? What? Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Pixel 9 Pro XL in Hazel and Peony, the pink one. I think these are the two most interesting colors, and I got the XL because the regular Pro, the smaller one, is not available at launch day. So here we go. We're going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions. This is not the full review, but I just got these phones today, basically a day before the actual, shipping date, which is cool. So let's get straight to it. We're going to start with the Hazel. So we're just going to unbox it. So they have these cool pull tabs here. Just pull them here. And actually this year they've gone with fully recycled packaging. So it's all, paper. It's plastic free. I think that's what they call it. Plastic free packaging. So let's take this off first. So there's kind of a cover on top, and then you have the actual box. It looks like recycled cardboard. And then we pop this open, and then we have the phone. Here it is. Let's take this out. Very glossy side rails, as you can see there. Nice clicky buttons, pretty good. And then we have the matte back finish. Looks really good. Let's put this aside. And then we have, just a USB-C cable, no charging brick, no adapter, nothing in fact. All right, let's get to the other one, the pink one. So again, same pull tabs on both sides. Okay. Similar thing, box. And then we have that nice pastel pink color. I like this one actually. Side rail, glossy rails. Pink as well. Looks pretty good. Let's compare the two. So the Hazel looks more gray on camera, but in real life it kind of looks a bit greenish. There's a slight tint of green, but I guess under different lighting conditions it'll look a bit different. But I think, yeah, this color looks pretty interesting. And the pink one, the Peony, it looks more pink in real life than on camera. So on camera it looks a bit washed out. It could just be the white balance of the camera. But yeah, this also looks pretty cool. So I think these two are the most interesting colors this year. There's the black and the white, that's kind of boring. But yeah, I think these two are the ones to get this year. So on the back of the lid of the box, there is some documentation here. And I think there is actually a SIM eject tool in this thing here. So yeah, there it is. There's a SIM eject tool, so they still give you that. So let's do a quick tour around the phone, because this is not a full review, it's just a first impressions. So we have those glossy rails on the side, we have that huge camera bar with the triple camera array there, so I think that's the telephoto there, that square one there. I think it still has the temperature sensor, which I don't know why it's still there. And of course we have our power and volume rockers. The SIM tray is actually at the bottom this time, so it's there. Of course, your USB-C port, speaker, and then on the top, that's your millimeter wave antenna cutout, I believe, that thing there. And nothing on the left side. Same story as other Pixels. All the buttons are on one side. You like it or you don't. Similarly, on the pink one, same thing. Looking pretty good. So in terms of the build quality and the feel in the hand, it's pretty seamless. You don't feel any rough edges between the glass and the metal. It all feels very nice. The tolerance of this device feels really good. I dare say almost as good, or about on par with the iPhone. So let me just grab an iPhone here. I happen to have an iPhone. So this is the 15 Pro Max. This is the Pixel 9 Pro XL. They're basically the same size. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is slightly taller. In terms of width, they are basically the same width. So if you're used to an iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's basically the same size. In terms of the color, so this is the titanium. It's a bit lighter, but yeah, it looks pretty good. This is like a darker gray, and this is like a lighter gray. Yeah, but again, in terms of the feel in the hand, it feels almost exactly like the iPhone. Pretty good. So there's been some talk about the thickness of that camera bar there, and I think it looks thicker than it actually is. So I have the iPhone here, and actually, you can't tell from here, but the iPhone's camera actually protrudes more than the Pixels. So if we put them back to back, like so, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the iPhone's camera is touching the back of the Pixel, but the Pixel's camera bar is not touching the iPhone's back yet. So that means the iPhone's camera actually protrudes more than the Pixels. So when you boot them up, you get the Google logo here, and it spins into a Gemini logo and then back to the Google logo. So that's pretty cool. They've changed the boot animation, which is interesting. That hasn't happened before. Once it boots up, you get to your setup assistant, and I like how they've themed the color to match the color of the Pixel. So this is the pink one, and then the animations are actually also pink on the screen. And of course, you get that nice haptic feedback when that thing bounces on the other thing. So as you saw in the intro, the pre-orders come with a poster. So I actually got two because I ordered two devices. It comes in this nice cardboard box, and inside is the poster itself. So it's actually a thick cardboard poster. So it unfolds. I won't get this all on camera, but it basically has the sketches of the Pixel 9 family, so the Pros and the Fold as well, and it has like a sticker here, so it's like an embossed Google sticker, which is pretty cool. And the idea is you are meant to unfold it like this, and then you can frame it and put it on the wall. So that's my super quick unboxing and first impressions of the Pixel 9 Pro XL in Hazel and Peony. I will be switching back to Android from this iPhone 15 Pro Max. I spent a year with this. We're back, baby! And more videos to come. I will probably be doing some camera tests, some photo comparisons, some video comparisons, comparisons with the iPhone, and probably with the Pixel 8 Pro as well. So yeah, hopefully at least you got to see what pre-order stuff comes with the new Pixel 9 series this year. And yeah, stay tuned. Hope this is useful, and thanks for watching. In Hazel and in Peony. Peony?